rice is generally considered healthy due to its high fiber content and the presence of many essential nutrients. However, it can have some side effects. Phytic acid. Brown rice contains higher levels of an anti-nutrient called phytic acid. This compound can inhibit our body from absorbing certain nutrients, specifically iron, zinc, magnesium, and calcium. However, soaking brown rice at higher temperatures before cooking can help to reduce the phytic acid content. Digestive issues. Since brown rice contains more fiber, it may cause digestive upset, such as bloating and diarrhea in those who are sensitive to fiber. Other reported side effects include gas, bloating, nasal congestion, lethargy, cramps, and constipation. Other side effects. Some sources also mention side effects like upset stomach, nausea, jaundice, swelling, inflammation, paralysis, hemorrhoids, psoriasis, and other skin ailments. Ingredients: brown rice,